Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Randy. I'm a full-time camper. I consider this truck my second bedroom, so I wanted to show you what I have going on with it, with my Go Fast camper and all the other gear that I have. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up as I would go camping and show you what I got. This includes a shower, a toilet, which is two main things for a lot of people. Shower for me is number one, and that is with hot water. So I'm excited to show you guys that, and hope you enjoy watching. Please, if you have any questions, make sure you put them down in the comments. If you have any pointers, same thing, let me know. So here's the 2021 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. You can see some of the things I had done to it. A couple of light bars on the front there for extra visibility at night. It's got 20-inch fuel wheels with 35-inch Toyota open country tires. Aftermarket side view mirrors. On the outside, I have an OVS 270 awning on a Go Fast camper. It's a V2 Pro model. I'll open that up for you guys here shortly. You could take a look at that and we'll set everything up. On the opposite side here, I have another OVS shower awning, and I use that both as a restroom and a shower area. It's pretty much for the outside. So we're gonna go ahead and set up those awnings for you. First thing I do is level the truck out, make sure it's flat and level and even. Definitely for sleeping purposes. And next step up from there, we're gonna open up the GFC. So let me go ahead and set up the steps. Get me up there. All right. So here's one. The other one was already undone. You pop up. And there's your home. This sleeps two people. I'm about 6'2" in height, and it's very, very, very comfortable setup. There's the back. I'll show you guys what the inside looks like here shortly. So after that's popped up, then we can do the 270 awning. We'll set that up as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and set up the awning, and the awning takes two straps, one that's actually hanging there ready for us. It's going to clip onto these sides there. That's what gives you the tension on the awning. And this is a freestanding awning. It does have stands with it in case it gets windy or you want to reinforce it. So we'll go ahead and open up the first part. I have a strap waiting for me over here on this side. Put it, and then you can cinch it down and tighten it down. All right, there's one strap. And then here's the second one. This awning is absolutely one of my favorite accessories on my truck here. It provides a ton of shade and outside area to hang out from the rain, from the elements. I mean, it has a ton of room here. And it definitely is a lifesaver when it is raining, but you can see what it looks like set up there. There it is with the Go Fast camper popped out. So next we're going to do the shower awning for you guys. So before I do the shower awning for you, I just wanted to show you, it does somewhat block this door. This does have a 90-degree where you can move it, still access the back side of this door. But I just wanted to show you, back here typically is gonna be my cookware / pantry. I have a battery box jackery back there, and my refrigerator's on the opposite side. So just wanted to show you what I have going on there. This is just the homemade platform that was made so I can stuff gear on top of there. I keep solar panels back here, 2 of them on each side, and some extra gear on the bottom there of the seat as well. So I'll go ahead and set up the shower awning for you guys so you can see what that looks like. So shower awning's not too bad either, pretty easy setup. If it's a windy day, sometimes you might want to tie it down, but there's 2 Velcro straps here, and you just roll it down. From there, you open up both the legs. There's one. You got to make sure it locks in place. I'm going to get inside there. Lock the other leg down. All right. And that is it for the shower awning. Shower awning set up there. Check it out. A lot of room in this awning for sure. I'm going to go ahead and set up the shower and set up just about everything else so I can show you guys the full glamp mode. So next up, we're going to do the walls on the awning. I haven't used these a whole lot, but they are labeled pretty easily as wall 1, wall 2, and wall 3. So it comes with 3 different walls. This is the first one. It does have a little tag here that tells you wall 1 on the inside, and so on and so forth. So that's going to cover this area here, so you guys can see what that looks like. All right, here it is. Here's the home on wheels completely set up. All the awnings are set up, and the shower, the sink, and my sleeping area. So just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Definitely a pretty decent setup considering it's all inside and on my truck. I have a refrigerator, shower, toilet, everything you need to live as comfortably as you can. So I'm going to show you guys around. Hope you enjoy. Here's my 2021 Toyota Tundra with a Go Fast camper, OVS awning, shower awning, and a lot more gear. I'll do my best to go over each item and show you what I got going on. The awning right now is set up with all of the walls as you see it. So it's basically the living room area right now inside the truck. So let me take you guys on in there. Here's the main entrance, as you can see. This is the one door that it comes with. Then you have the inside of the living room. It comes with 2 windows that you see both open right now. One window over here and another one on the opposite side. Here's my 2-seater couch. I also have a refrigerator. Here's my fridge. Typically use this little hammock looking thing here for bedding. I don't have it with me right now, but there's my Jackery battery box, solar panels. All right, let's move on to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. Here's the sink that is not on right now. You get the idea though. Do my dishes there, do my cooking and prep work here. Here's my hammock. Okay. And here's the back of the pickup truck. Recently I did a review video on the Noku, and let me tell you, it has definitely helped out with my organizing of my gear and camping items, so that's pretty cool. we can move on to the bed. I'll show you the bed. Just getting on the inside here. All right. Welcome to the bed area. Here's the Go Fast camper setup with Hess mattress. There's 2 mattresses in here, 2 separate mattresses. And the cool thing about Go Fast camper is that it's got a modular design. So these you can configure in a lot of different ways. This is just a square. You could take out that square to use this one side if you wanted to, or fold over the mattress. I can use this area for a cooktop, prepping up food, and as you can see, you can see fully standing inside of this thing, and there is, I can't even reach the top. I'm 6'2". There's a little bit of my patch collection since I've owned it. Here's the view on the outside. All right. As you can see, I'm standing on the inside of the truck here. Let's go show you guys the shower. Alrighty, here's the shower setup. This is a Kakadu battery-powered, propane-powered shower. Right now I don't have the propane on, but I can show you what that looks like. You press start on there. There is the shower head. Here is the toilet with the little platform. And all you gotta do is turn that on. So honestly, it is a really nice shower. When that water is turned on, you guys get the idea. You see how much water is coming out there. One of my favorite accessories here. All right. And that is the home on wheels. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions on any of the products that I showed you here, please let me know. Look forward to showing you some more stuff and some camping nights. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.